What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So I see some videos of guys out there saying you can do your tire monitors at home. What a pain in the rear end it is to try and replace a valve stem or a tpms valve stem or a tpms at home. I know some people think they can do it, but I would tell you it could be dangerous. If you don't know what you're doing, trying to do it while it's on the car is even more dangerous. Breaking the tire bead off of a vehicle without it being secured to a machine is even more dangerous. I mean, here's what we go through when we do it. The wheel is off the car. We have diagnostic equipment, which is not in the right spot. Diagnostic tire equipment. And we're using our machine to break down one side of the tire so we can gain access to everything inside of here. It's definitely not a job that you want to do at home. I just definitely don't recommend doing it. It's dangerous, and in my opinion, it's not that expensive in the world of things to get fixed on your car. Thanks for watching.